Welcome back, guys, to another video. The video you guys have all been waiting for in this series. Today, we're going to figure out what is wrong with this motor. We got Coda here, as always, your guys' favorite guest. And Kayla is back again.
Yo, it's your boy, Coda Evo. And we're over here making some serious progress. Light work of this motor here. Got that all off, got the front cover off, timing belts off. We're about to take this oil pump off. After we take this oil pan off, and then we're gonna take the oil filter housing off. We got all the accessories on the side off here, as you can see. So, and this motor is pretty neat because it's pretty cool. You don't have to actually remove the cams to get to the head studs, which is actually amazing. So we can keep this head entirely intact as we remove it from the block. So, what do you think about this progress so far?
What he said.
Kayla?
I'm getting my hands dirty today, so we're doing good.
Show me the hands, show me the hands.
The first look. Oh.
Because that's how it's supposed to feel.
This is how it's supposed to feel, or this is how it's
Well, like this
This is-
too, even. It's like super smooth like that.
I mean, unless they machined it down to balance it like that.
I say let's flip this sucker over and get the head off.
Get the head off, and then we can pull the rod caps, you know?
Yeah, I like the way you think.
You know what that 4 means?
Yeah.
Means I'm loyal to women.
Does it now? If any of you ladies are watching, this
Yeah,
man
hit
right
my
here,
line.
hit his line. He is single and ready to mingle. Like a Pringle.
Pringles don't mingle, they get eaten.
That,
I'm trying to get 8. Alright, now we need to get these spark plugs out. Life hack for all you people taking out spark plugs. Get a Vuse.
Doesn't matter what order.
No, it just matters for breaking it loose.
yeah, because even if you like don't take them out in that time,
It's like not as important. It's not as important taking them out, but putting them in. It's very important the order you go in.
Because or else they won't get tightened all the way, right?
No, it'll crack the cam if you do it wrong. Like if you don't do it correctly, it'll crack the cam. Be very imperative, okay?
Tell the vlog what you're about to do.
We need to take these out and keep them in the same order we pulled them out. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So our best bet would be to clear a spot off on the table, long enough for the cams, because we'll take the cams out.
And these things have to like be on top.
No, not that, but they have to stay in this order. Because these cam caps are not, like you can't switch these two.
Right.
But they're labeled, so that makes it a little easier, but just to make it a step
Even
easier.
easier.
There we go.
Why do some have like more contact pads than others?
That's a good question.
And indented.
Yeah, this it's like these back here weren't hitting at all.
Could that be an issue?
It could be.
Because look, these have like an actual dip into
Oh
them.
wow, those ones are a lot more than these ones.
Yeah, look at the back ones. They weren't even. Looks
Yeah,
like they
my
weren't
back
even
ones,
touched.
my 3 back ones, and this one barely looks
That's
touched.
weird. Yeah, because it's like a full-on like dimple.
That is weird.
I don't know what that means, but
There we go.
Nice.
All right.
with the head off, we can get a better look.
How's it look underneath?
What's it supposed to look like? Are they supposed to be black? They're black.
Hold on. Let's set it somewhere so I can look at it.
I'm looking for any scoring on the walls. I think this is the cylinder that we were getting the really low compression on. So I'm curious to see what this looks like once we turn the motor.
Okay.
I feel like the walls of it itself looks good. I feel like.
Yeah,
I don't know too much, but to me,
Oh,
is it on that side?
run your
I
finger
can
right
see
here.
it. I can see it. Look.
Oh, I was on the wrong side.
Is it just that one? Let me see the other one.
That's all I felt.
It's not even focusing.
I don't know how well you guys can see it on the camera.
Right down
Oh yeah, you can feel that one
there.
pretty
No,
well.
you can see that one. Is it?
That's like a scarring of it going up and down.
Oh, I
Like,
guess.
look at the piston though. This is what confuses me. Look at the gap on the piston, this side and that side. Alright, here's what we're about to do.
Flip it up and take off the bottoms.
Yeah, we're gonna take off the rod cap of the one that read low compression. And check the bearings. And hopefully that gives us the answers of what happened. Not bad.
Anything else, sir?
Nah, that should do it, tool boy.
Alright, back to the POV of Stancy.
No, I don't. I really don't need
Christmas
600.
gift.
I really don't need 600 either.
Then why'd you even buy the car, bro?
Because you and Brett told me to.
Yeah, because it's fast.
I mean, yeah, I'm going to be cooler than you, but...
She got you there.
Yeah, let's answer. Here,
FaceTime.
here.
What's up?
What's up, DJ Max?
What's up, buddy? Alright, the vlog about to see the seats.
Oh, snap. This is exclusive access for you guys.
Exclusive access.
Dude,
Probably
my
gonna be out
hand's
before
so
my
big.
video though.
Is that not supposed to be making contact?
Oh, like that side, and then look at the other side. I mean, it's supposed to wear, but it's supposed to wear kind of evenly.
A little update, I guess. We haven't updated you guys in a little bit, but the last two had pretty even wear on the side of the pistons. The first two had uneven wear, and we've noticed the uneven wear in the cylinders. So, and these bearings were not in very bad shape. There's DJ Rex. He joined us tonight. So he's thinking that might have something to do with the main bearings.
Alright, let's...
Compared to, this feels smooth
Smell for a set.
compared to this. This feels pitted. This is smooth.
This is your fault.
No,
It
it was my fault this would be running. So like, I don't know how any of that works on these motors.
So what it really could be is...
I'd say most of your material's coming from that. I mean, that's like a big
Like,
ass
it could
groove.
have just been as simple as it wasn't lined up right, or they didn't machine it. They're off by like the tiniest
That's
bit.
the $1 million question right there.
Send her to a machine shop and find out. It's your best bet.
Yeah. And then buy the few new things that you need.
few.
I mean, it really
I
isn't.
think it's gonna be a little more than a few. What?
My car was in mint condition until
Shut the fuck up until
Elevated got a hold of it. Then now look at now it's cut up.
Didn't you put this motherfucker into a dish?
That was
Didn't you hit like a raccoon or something too?
yeah, that too. But I just want to give a huge shout out to Coda for coming over and helping us throughout this whole thing. Obviously, it's not over. He's still gonna be in future videos, but we're kind of at a standstill until we figure out what to do next. Obviously, the head and the block needs to go to the machine shop. Other than that, we need to get a list of parts to order, and then from there we'll begin the rebuild. So this might be the last video for a month or two until we figure out everything we need. So is there anything else you'd like to add?
No, it's been fun working on this thing. Definitely learned a lot. Never really torn one of these motors apart, but it was definitely a fun learning experience. And always fun hanging out with the boy Stancy.Anthony. It's always a good time.
Yeah, always a good time. Like I said, I appreciate him coming over and willing to help. He did do most of the work. I'm not gonna lie, I was just the guy behind the camera for a lot of this. Kayla really wanted to get her hands dirty and be a part of her own build, which I appreciate for her wanting to get involved and actually know what's going on with her car. So if you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button. I'm gonna talk to a few different people and see like what we should do, or like what they think it failed. But as always, I'll see you guys in the next video, and stay stancy.
Peace!
It's just me. Get out of my face before I fucking punch it.
Hey, but look at her like that.